Now that we have all of our products, we're going to check out by clicking the Checkout button. On this page, always remember to view the order summary to be sure you have all the products you need. Enter your billing info here and your shipping address here. The ship method allows you to choose how you would like your product shipped. Best way means by a Revere truck. There are different FedEx and UPS options. And then there is a will call where you can pick up your items at any of our locations. Next is the order status. This will give you options to ship parts as they come, ship the total order, or we can call you when your order is complete. Here, you can place the order through credit card or purchase order number. Once you've filled that out, you can submit your order. Once the order is submitted, a confirmation will appear that the order was successful. You will also receive an email.